Dino DEBARI Life Stories. To the forest, to the forest.
So angry!
Bricchio, you so dummy! You dum-dum, Bricchio! Hey, son! Bricchio!
Why, Mom?
I told you not to do this!
Why?
When Bricchio feels frustrated from fighting with his friends, and when he feels frustrated after being scolded by his mother, he goes to the forest.
Time to go!
Walking down the forest path, Bricchio feels at ease.
Oh, so peaceful.
That's why Bricchio loves the forest.
Look at these flowers. They're beautiful. Oh, the trees. Almost as tall as me. You have faces too.
He can hear the pine trees, chestnut trees, and the walnut trees console him, saying, "It's all right. It's all right."
Everything will be all right.
When Bricchio can't breathe because of the smell of car fumes, or because of the stench from piles of trash, he goes to the forest.
Oh, let's get away from here. So many bad smells. Ooh. La 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 la. La la la.
The clean air freshens him to his heart. That's why Bricchio loves the forest.
Oh, so much good air.
The cypress trees, birch trees, and the maple trees wash him of dirt and grime with fresh scents in the air.
I feel so refreshed. Oh, all of this fresh air. Can't get that in the city. Oh, what's that? Oh, all those sounds. Stop it.
When Bricchio feels annoyed by the noise of car horns and the noise of construction work, he goes to the forest.
It's time to get away from these sounds of the city.
The forest is full of pleasant sounds. That's why Bricchio loves the forest.
Colorful birds with colorful music. I love it. Hey, birds. How are you doing?
Hi, Bricchio!
Hey, let's sing together. Ready? Lola. Oh, so relaxing. Sounds of the water, sounds of the birds.
The sound of streaming water, blowing wind, and chirping birds
Chirp, chirp!
sound like happy music to him.
How do you know my name?
When Bricchio is bored and out of things to do, he goes to the forest. The squirrels, acorns, and insects are all his friends.
Hey, friends, you're my best friends.
That's why Bricchio always wants to go to the forest.
Oh, my place of relaxation and friendship.
Hi, Bricchio.
There's a bear even.
I'm Bear.
Hi, bear. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Bricchio.
I love the forest.